Cheers. Nice fire. I almost did make one just because, you know, I was feeling lazy then, but it didn't take me that long to get the wood. Of course I'm going to edit a lot of it out, but because you don't want to sit there and watch me sawing and hacking. I'll do some highlights. I might do some sped up shots. If I can do that in Windows Movie Maker, I can set it to, you know, faster speed. So it just will clip right by. Cooking up some boiling bag rice, and I got a package of tuna, which is sitting over there, which is smart of me to leave it over there. So good job, Mark. Way to be a good video maker. So I'm just going to boil the rice, let it drain, throw the tuna in. I'm not worried about heating the tuna up because that rice is going to be plenty hot. Eat, maybe add a few seasonings for my seasoning kit, which I brought. Let the fire die down, and then pack it up and go home. So, good times. The hot chocolate sure hit the spot, though. That was good. I'd make another cup, but I got rice in there now. I don't know if ricey. I do like rice. Rice, hot chocolate might be an okay combo. Might be a lot of starch in there from the water, though. Well, I mean, if worse comes worse, I can always pour it out. I'll see how it goes. So. Yeah, sit back by the fire. Not getting any heat over here. Alrighty, it's been the allotted time, about 11 minutes. I'm going to try the, this is just hot chocolate. It's hot chocolate with rice water. I mean, how bad could it be? Alright. I guess I'll just leave that sitting right by the, what I'm going to do with the water. There's not much left. So what I got here is a cracked sea salt and black pepper tuna, bumblebee. Looks like you get a spoon with it too. I hope it's not mixed with mayonnaise. That would be, no. Nice. A little bit more in there. Where'd that little piece go? Oh, it's right here. That rice is ready already. It looks like it's drained. Good. Pour it right on top of the tuna. Come on, smoke. Seriously? Dude. Every freaking time, man. Got little Mrs. Dash. Just because I want to lose the lid or the jar. Wow, Smoke, you're a real freaking douche. You're probably wondering how the chocolate is, so let's try. It's like your hot cocoa was made with rice. It's like your hot cocoa was made with rice. I'm not gonna say it's bad, but it's weird. Well, whatever. Let's try the meal. I don't need any sauce or gravy. I actually got this idea from Barnyard Outdoors, so cheers to you, brother. I'll link his description in the... I will link his video in the description. Here we go. Rice with tuna. That's not bad. I mean, it might be nice with a little bit of sauce, but it's not bad as it is. That's a good camp meal. I will say this though, if you like pepper, you're gonna like this. If you don't like pepper, it has a good strong pepper flavor, but I like pepper, so. Alright, so I'm going to say, this was not bad. The only thing I would have done a little differently is some sauce of some kind. can be a little dry, so I mean, definitely have a fluid with you, something to drink. The ricey hot chocolate, it's not terrible, it's not great either. There's probably a lot of starch in there, but yeah, whatever. It actually turned out to be a nice sunny day. The sun is literally right over here, but it's actually been moving crosswise, so it's not just going down. So it's hard to judge how many hours of daylight I have since it's going. Unless there's a way to detect that, but alright. Yeah, I don't know about ricey hot chocolate. Alright. Fire's put out. I'm not going to wait around to disperse the ashes because I'm going to use this camp again, which I've dubbed Raven Camp, because earlier I had 2 ravens just going nuts, squawking back and forth earlier, so camp kind of named itself. So, as always, a good time. A few shaky moments, nothing too bad though. You missed when I got here. Actually, I stepped over a log and I slipped and fell. So it's like landed on my pack. No, I didn't get hurt at all. I just, it's one of those. I'm glad I didn't get it on camera, but I'm also glad I didn't. So you guys didn't see my embarrassing fall. I got the fire's just steaming away. I'm gonna leave the log there and the vine maple for my stir stick right here for future work. And use the log to put fuel on. Maybe I'll build a reflector. Who knows? Reflector would be kind of cool. That'd be kind of a fun project. Never actually made a fire reflector before. Oh, yikes! I had that in my coat pocket. That would have probably fallen out. All my notes would be gone. Cell phone. Doing the pocket check. I got my keys. Man, if I didn't have my keys, how freaky would that be? Like, oh my God, where did I drop them? I have to retrace every step. It's not like I have, anything on them that would stand out. So, all right, I'm gonna get my pack. I'm gonna head on home. Got kind of a long drive, but it's fine. I'll have to deal with a little people traffic when I get back. In the main city, I might stop and power wash the truck off because it's been sitting for a while. So we got needles all over it. Get those all washed off. And yeah, go home and edit. So as always, I thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. Any questions, comments, put them down below. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.